the easiest ways to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So if you want to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for Adobe. After searching, go with www.adobe.com, and here you'll have Adobe Creative Cloud. You can just simply go with the free trial section, which is on the bottom left. And from here, as you can see, that you will have individuals, business, and students and teachers. So you just need simply go with any option that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with business. And once you've selected, you can go with continue, which is on the right side, and you will have a free trial, which is absolutely for free, which is for 14 days. And after that, you'll need to pay. So in order to use your Premiere Pro for free, for more than 15 days, you need to go and create another Gmail account with a new payment address. And after that, you need to go with that mail account which you've just created, and you can get 15 days more trial. In these ways, you will be able to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free. But if you don't know how to create a lot of email addresses, then you can also go with Temp Mail, which is a temporary email. You can go with this website, and then you can go with copy to clipboard. It will have an email address right here. Just wait for it to load. And once you get your email address, you can use that email address to go with, again, 15 days or 17 days free trial. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.